Good day, class. Hope you're doing fine. So for this video, I'm going to discuss to you the example 2 in pre-calculus week 1, still on circle. So we have here the directions. Identify the center and radius of the circle with the given equation. Sketch its graph and indicate the center. So for item number 1, we have the given equation x squared plus y square minus 6x equals 7, where we are asked to find the center and the radius of the circle, and also sketch its graph, then indicate the center. So to do this, we need to rewrite this equation into the standard equation of the circle. Okay? So for us to determine its center and radius, how are we going to do that? How to do this? Let's begin. We have here x squared plus y squared minus 6x equals 7. All we have to do is to regroup the terms according those terms with the same variable, and the constant must stay at the right side of this equation. So we have x squared and then combine with negative 6x. So let's regroup them. Then plus y square. So isa lang si y square, wala siyang pair na y, equals 7. And after that, we're going to make this one a perfect square trinomial. So meaning we will be adding one more term para magiging trinomial siya, but it's a perfect square. So, how are we going to do that? Just copy the first two terms. X squared minus 6x plus the third term. I just put it blank. Plus y squared equals 7. Plus whatever we add here, we will also add at the right side of the equation. Equals. So, for this one, I will write here kung anong yung isusulat natin. So, observe the second term, the numerical coefficient, we have negative 6. So, get the numerical coefficient of the second term. So, we have negative 6. Divide natin yan siya ng 2. Always divide it by 2. So, the result is negative 6 divided 2. We have negative 3. And after that one, we need to square it para dito sa third term na ating trinomial. So, negative 3, square natin yan, will give us positive 9. So, the third term here will be positive 9. Again, saan natin kinuha ang positive 9? It's from dividing 2 dito sa negative 6. Negative 6 divided by 2, whatever the numerical coefficient of our second term na variable na x, i-divide natin yan siya ng 2. Negative 6 divided by 2, that's negative 3. Then, don't forget to square it. So, negative 3 square, that's negative 3 times negative 3, positive 9. Ito yung i-add natin dito. So, because we add positive 9 here sa right side, mag-add din tayo ng positive 9. Then, this becomes now a perfect square trinomial. So, ito, just copy the variable. Next step, x, and then whatever is the result, after we divide it by 2, negative 3 siya. So, minus 3 siya, and then naka-square na ang ating binomial. Perfect square binomial na siya. So, if we are going to get the product of this, babalik tayo sa ating trinomial. Again, x, we will write x here kasi x yung variable natin. Saan natin kinuha ang negative 3? It's from dividing negative 6 by 2. So, negative 3. Then, i-group natin siya, enclose in a parenthesis, then put square. And then, plus y square equals 7 plus 9. So, that's 16. Now, we have written already this equation into a standard form, wherein para maklaro class, so x minus 3 square plus But itong y square could be equal to y minus 0 square equals 16 can be written as 4 square. So therefore, our center HK is equal to, our H here is positive 3. So, and our K is 0. Then our radius is 4. So this is now our center, 3, 0, and 4. Class, kung x plus 3 pa ito, kung nagiging positive siya, so ang h natin ay magiging negative 3. So negative 3, 0. But here, minus 3. So ito na yung h natin. It's positive 3 yung coordinate niya sa h. And then ang k natin is 0. Now, to plot this, we need to draw a Cartesian plane coordinate system, the x-axis and the y-axis. So, 3, 0, it lies on the right side of the x-axis. 1, 2, 3. So, 3 yung x natin, 0 ang y, it's here, ang center. Then, 4 ang radius. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like here. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, down, 4 units also. Okay, then connect. So actually this is not really a perfect circle, but with center at 3, 0. So this is now the graph of our equation. Hope it helped you. Thank you.